Hi there. Before using your LadyGo menstrual cup, it is very important that you sterilize it. For sterilization, you can put a LadyGo menstrual cup in boiling water for 3 to 5 minutes. Before insertion, make sure that you wash your hands thoroughly with a mild soap. Relax yourself and find a comfortable position. You can either squat, sit down, or simply stand. With a few trials, you'll understand what works for you the best. There are a number of ways in which you can fold your LadyGo menstrual cups. I'll be demonstrating some of the most popular and widely used folding methods. For demonstration purpose, I will be using LadyGo Active Model large size cup. Now, I'll be explaining about a C-fold, which is one of the most commonly used folding methods. First, hold the LadyGo cup with both the hands and squeeze it and bring the lids together so that they touch each other, and fold it towards you so that it forms a C shape. Then, holding it in this position, gently insert it into the vagina. Release the pressure so that it is completely unfolded and forms a C. Let me just show it once again. Just hold the cup and squeeze and then fold it towards you. C shape, and then gently insert it. It is unfolded fully and forms a C. To make sure that it is placed properly, just rotate it. So that's how you insert a C-fold. Now I'll be demonstrating the next type of fold, that is the 7-fold. With narrow insertion point, it is popular among the young users. So hold the LadyGo cup with both hands and squeeze it so that the lids touch each other, and bring the right side to the left bottom so that it forms a 7 shape. I'll just do it once again. The right side to the left bottom so that it forms 7 shapes. With this position, insert it gently into the vagina. It will unfold completely and form a C. To make sure that it is properly placed, just rotate the cup and pull it. The third type of fold is the punch down fold. It is popular among young as well as experienced users. Hold the LadyGo cup with one hand and using the thumb, punch down the rim to the inside base of the cup and squeeze the top edges and gently remove the finger. And do it once again. Bring down the rim to the base of the cup and squeeze the top edges and remove the finger. Holding in this position, insert the cup so that it unfolds fully. To make sure it is properly placed, just rotate the cup and gently pull it. Removal of the LadyGo cup is pretty simple. First, place yourself in sitting or hovering position of the toilet and relax yourself. Use your pelvic muscles to push down the cup a bit. Then, using your fingers, just feel the stem and guide it to the base and pinch it. Then, gently take out the cup. Then, empty the contents out the toilet and thoroughly clean it for the next use. So now you know about the 3 most popular folding methods which you can use for the insertion of LadyGo menstrual cups. In case you have any questions and you want to learn more about the folding methods, please visit our website www.ladygo.in.